I worked for Citywide at the home office for 8 years. I started as a sales exec in Kansas City.
Meredith and I had been together for like 4 or 5 years, so I would hear, what Citywide does and what she did for a living, and I thought, wow, what a system. That sounds great. We should look into doing something like that.
We bought an existing market, so it's not quite the same experience that brand new franchisees have, because we did already have business on the books.
We've seen some of the contractors that have come to work for us start very, very, very small, and they've really, they want to put together and live the American dream, and they put together great teams and great service for us. I mean, that's what I really like, is helping other people.
It really starts with the fact that most of our independent contractors themselves are great at what they do. They're great at the service they provide, but they're not so good at going out and finding business. And so for Citywide, what we do is provide all of those pieces for them that they can't do for themselves. And all we require from them is excellent customer service at night or whenever they're performing the work. And then we help them in all other aspects of their business to be successful. This has been a humbling experience for me. Just the amount of grit and stick-to-itiveness and just persistence that this requires, especially in the beginning, and just being faithful to our vision, not getting pulled off track, based on the events of the day.
Do it, take the leap, have faith that, you'll be surrounded with a bunch of people that will help you out and are really there for your success, but also dig into what other companies would do for you as a franchise system, and Citywide is one of the best.